Good morning students, I am Amrita teacher and I will take your science class. So today I am going to start the chapter plants make their own food. So let's start. In this chapter we will study about photosynthesis and the ingredients of photosynthesis and the products of photosynthesis. So as we know, plants are living things, so they need energy like every living things, but they cannot move from one place to another in searching of food. So plants make their own food in their leaves. Now that's why leaves are called food factory or kitchen of the plants. Now the process by which plants make their food is called the photosynthesis. So all the green plants make their food in their leaves, and the process by which the plants make their food is called the photosynthesis. Now the ingredients to make the food for plants, and that are water and minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight and chlorophyll. Now water and minerals get the plant from the soil with the help of their roots, and minerals is dissolved in the water. Now carbon dioxide. So a plant can get carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata, and we know that stomata are the tiny pores which are present under the surface of the leaves. So a plant can take carbon dioxide with the help of stomata. Now sunlight is also a very important ingredient, and sunlight get from the sun. Now the other ingredients of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is a green pigment by which plant absorb the sunlight. So chlorophyll also very important for the process of photosynthesis. Now next, photosynthesis. So in the process of photosynthesis, all the ingredients make together to form the food for the plant, and this process is called as photosynthesis. Now during photosynthesis, green plants combine water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight to make sugar, and sugar is the food of the plant. So let's see the equation. This is the equation for the process of photosynthesis, and by this equation we can understand the process of photosynthesis. And in this process, carbon dioxide mixed with water and minerals in the presence of sunlight, and sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll which is present on the leaves, and then they form food of the plant, that is sugar, and oxygen is also formed during the photosynthesis. Now look at this picture. So in the presence of sunlight, a plant can get the energy which is absorbed by the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is a green pigment which are present in the green leaves. Then the stomata which are present under surface of the leaves, and stomata is the tiny pores, and a plant can get the carbon dioxide through their stomata, and carbon dioxide mixed with water is present in the soil which is dissolved the minerals also. So a plant can get water and minerals from the soil by their roots. Then carbon dioxide mixed with water, and in the presence of sunlight they form the food of the plant, and oxygen is also formed in the process of photosynthesis, which mixed with air and make the atmosphere clean. Now oxygen sent out in air through the stomata. So plants make the air clean because they increase the amount of oxygen in air. Now sugar, that is food of the plant, sent to all the parts for giving energy, and the extra food, that is sugar, is stored in the form of starch, not in the form of sugar, in their root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds. Now it's over. In the next class we will discuss about the next topic.